Hello and welcome to this new YouTube video on how to make money online as a content writer freelancer on multiple platforms using AI tools such as ChatGPT, GPT-3, and Chatsonic. As a content writer, you can earn a decent income by providing high-quality articles, blog posts, social media content, and other written materials to businesses and individuals who need them. With the help of AI tools, you can easily write articles without spending hours researching or coming up with ideas. Here are 3 platforms where you can find freelance writing work. Upwork. Upwork is a popular platform that connects freelancers with clients from all over the world. You can create a profile, showcase your writing skills, and apply for writing jobs that match your expertise. You can also use ChatGPT or GPT-3 to write your proposal and increase your chances of getting hired. Textbroker. Textbroker is a platform that connects writers with clients who need written content for their websites or marketing campaigns. You can sign up for free, take a writing test, and start writing articles for clients. With Chatsonic or other AI tools, you can write articles quickly and efficiently, increasing your productivity and earning potential. Constant Content. Constant Content is a platform that allows writers to sell their articles, blog posts, and other written content to clients. You can write articles on topics that interest you and upload them to the platform. Clients can then purchase the articles for their websites or other projects. With AI tools like ChatGPT or GPT-3, you can write high-quality articles on a wide range of topics, increasing your chances of making a sale. In conclusion, using AI tools such as ChatGPT, GPT-3, and Chatsonic can help you become a more productive and efficient content writer, allowing you to take on more writing projects and earn a higher income. By utilizing platforms like Upwork, Textbroker, and Constant Content, you can find freelance writing work and build a successful career as a content writer. Don't forget to like this video if it has been useful for you, and subscribe to be notified every time I post new tips and tricks video like this one to make money online and escape your 9 to 5. Thanks for watching.